Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have our 2011 Cadillac STS, and say the engine battery is dead and we're not able to get into the car, or your key fob battery is dead but you want to be able to manually get in your car. Well, you see you go to hit the buttons and it doesn't do anything. It's not unlocking the car, and we don't have what looks like a key on here to be able to go inside there. Well, there is a hidden key, and so what you need to do is you need to push this little indent here, you press it in, and you're able to pull what looks as a manual key out. And now you're able to insert that in and twist the lock to unlock your car. And then you'll be able to get in and have access to get in, to be able to pop the hood and to be able to jump start your car or get where you need to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.